Hello guys, today let's talk about how long does Apple Pay take to refund to bank. So this is a common issue for most people. So let's try to talk about it. So here in discussions apple.com, one posted that they are very anxious on how long it will take for the refund to reflect. So Apple says that it could take up to 30 days, and if it doesn't get to your bank in 30 days, you should call your bank. So this is usually a common issue because realistically, it would take 5 to 7 business days, but rarely longer. So let's check another thread. This one, money can be transferred after the refund status turn refunded and already wait of 3 days. So one replied that for store credit, it might take up to 48 hours. For mobile phone billing, it would take up to 60 days for the statement to show the refund. And for other payment methods, it could take up to 30 days. So that's your maximum days on how long you will wait. But then if you want to know the status of your refund, just go to reportaproblem.apple.com. Enter this URL on your phone or on your PC, and then once you're here, make sure you are signed up, and then here you will see the check status of claim, and it will show you the status of your refund and how long it will take to reflect on your account. So basically that's it.